Welcome to this Parallels video tutorial on deployment package creation. The purpose of the deployment package is to facilitate mass deployment of Parallels Desktop to multiple Mac computers. Let's begin by downloading the Parallels Mass Deployment Guide from the Parallels website at the link shown here. Once you've downloaded the Mass Deployment PDF, open the document and scroll down to the Required Components section where you can copy-paste the link shown here, and the deployment package will automatically be downloaded. This pre-built package contains all the necessary information needed to deploy and install Parallels Desktop 7. Let's verify that we have the following three components available: a copy of Parallels Desktop installation image, a valid Parallels Desktop for Mac 7 Enterprise Edition license key, and the Parallels Desktop autodeploy.pkg. To deploy Parallels Desktop, simply add the Parallels Desktop installation disk image, installation key, and one or more virtual machines to the deployment package. Customize a few settings if necessary, and it's ready to deploy. Let's go ahead and prepare the package now. Navigate to the Parallels Desktop autodeploy.pkg, right-click it, and select Show Package Contents. The package contents will be displayed. Find the Parallels folder in the package and double-click it to see its contents. The folder should contain the license.txt file only. Open the license.txt file for editing and type in the license key provided with your copy of Parallels Desktop. You can type the key on any line in the file. The key must be specified using the following format. Be sure to use all caps as this is case sensitive. Locate the Parallels Desktop installation disk image file and copy it to the same Parallels folder in the deployment package where the license.txt file is located. The package is now ready for deployment using the Mac Remote Management application of your choice, and will install and activate Parallels Desktop 7 for Mac with its default settings. You have the option to deploy one or more virtual machines along with Parallels Desktop 7 in the same package. Simply copy your pre-configured virtual machine into the same Parallels folder as the license.txt and Parallels Desktop 7 installation image. Once your virtual machine is ready, you can add it to the deployment package. Same process as before, but we're now adding an additional component to the package. Navigate to the Parallels Desktop autodeploy.pkg file, right-click it, and choose Show Package Contents. Double-click the Parallels folder to view its contents. The folder should contain two files, license.txt and the Parallels Desktop installation disk image file that was added earlier. Locate the virtual machine bundle. The default folder for storing virtual machine bundles on the host Mac is Users, Username, Documents, Parallels. Copy the bundle to the Parallels folder in the deployment package. You also have the option to change the default location of your virtual machines on your client's Macs. One reason you might do this is if you want multiple users of the Mac to have access to the virtual machine. You do this by editing the Contents, Resources, Post-Flight file in the Remote Deployment package. The modifications necessary can be found in the Mass Deployment Guide under Chapter 4, Configuring Virtual Machine for Deployment, Configuring the Default Virtual Machine Location, and we'll place the virtual machine into the Root, Users, Shared, Parallels folder. Now let's reconfigure the post-flight file to install the virtual machine to the Users, Shared, Parallels folder. Navigate to the Parallels Desktop autodeploy.pkg file, right-click it, and choose Show Package Contents. Double-click the Contents folder, and then double-click the Resources folder. Locate the post-flight file and open it for editing using TextEdit or a text editor of your choice. Locate the section of the file that controls the installation location of virtual machines. You can now edit the post-flight file to change the installation location of your virtual machines using the instructions in the deployment guide. This simple step can be found in Chapter 4, page 18 of the Mass Deployment Guide. Simply copy and replace the text as shown here. Save your changes and the package is ready to deploy. At this point, the deployment package contains all the necessary software and data, including the Parallels desktop installation disk image and virtual machine files. And apart from the 2 default locations described within this tutorial, the deployment package has no limit to where it can place the virtual machine. Whether you require that it reside on an external hard drive or even a network share, there are virtually unlimited location options to suit every need. We hope this short tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the steps of creating a deployment package for Parallels Desktop for Mac 7 Enterprise Edition. Be sure to check out our other tutorials covering further key essentials for Parallels mass deployment.